Guys, welcome back to another repairing video of LG TV. Friends, I will power on it. You can see that there are white visible spots, bright spots, dots on the screen, and the picture is not good. There are dots all over the screen. So this is our problem today. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So stick to video, watch the video till end. Don't skip any part. After removing the back screws, and I will open the back cover. It may have a keypad, power button connector. Remove it first. Remove it before opening the case. Now the case is free. Put it on a side. Now remove all the connectors. Then the speakers. Now I will open all the side bezel screws. After opening all the screws from all four sides, now it's time for scalar PCB. I will free it from the flex cables connected with the T-con. Now remove the scalar PCB protecting metal. This is for the protection of scalar PCB. Now turn the TV to the front again and gently remove the bezel. It may have tiny locks, so be careful while lifting it up. Put it on a side, viewers. Now gently lift the panel from both hands. Place your hand under the screen and lift it up and place it on a side. Now take off the panel fitting. It have also little locks. Now it's time for reflectors. Put these on a side. Dear friends, you can see that all the lenses are removed, detached from the backlight strips. This is the cause for the bright spots, that the lenses have been removed from the backlight strip. Lenses are removed from here, you can see that. Now I have removed all the backlight strips. You can see that. I will show you two methods how to fix this. One is by repairing these backlight strips again. Take a sticky glue. In our region it is called Elfie. Put some drops on the three spots for lens attachment. Each lens have three spots. So place a little drop on each spot like I am doing. Now take the lens and place it right on the spots. You can see that This lens have also 3 spots. It will take some time, guys. After attaching all the lenses, let these dry for about an hour or two, so these can be reused again. But guys, here I am giving you a tip that it's not recommended to use this method, because after some time this fault will come again. So always try to use new LED backlight strips, because these lights have life, and it's not wise to glue it again, because the problem will come again after a month or 2 months. So don't waste your time and your customer money. Always replace with the new ones. It's a good practice, viewers, to use new backlight strips. You can see that I have purchased a new set of this LG TV, because it will work for more than 2 or 3 years. So always try to change the backlight strips with the new ones. This set came, these lights came in 2 parts, A and B. These are centrally jointed with the connector. You can see that I am now connecting one backlight strip. Join all strips like this. You can see that. Now these lights have double tape attached. Peel it off and stick it on the back cover underneath this reflecting paper. Now I will lift the paper and stick it on its place. Always look for the connector. Stick it on the right side, where you can attach the backlight cable. Now I have installed all the backlight strips and joined it with the backlight connector. You can see that. Now I will check it with the power key. I will power it on and check whether lights on or not. I will press the power key. Friends, you can see that all the lights are glowing. Our backlight is good now. Now I will power it off and assemble it one by one as I have opened it. Install the plastic support for the panel. All the plastic supports have been installed. Now I will place the reflectors first. Now it's done for plastic panel fitting. Properly attached it by pressing it from all the four corners. Now it's done for panel screen. Gently place it. Because it is very delicate and it will crack if you don't take it serious. No need to hurry at this time. Watch for all the four corners that the screen is well placed inside the fitting. After double checking, then place the front bezel. Then turn the TV to the back again and install all the side screws. Clean the place before turning. Now attach all the connectors and flex cables that you have removed earlier. I have installed the back cover. Now it's time for checking. Attach the power cord. Now turn it again to the front. Power on the key. You can see that the display is good, viewers. There are no bright spots and dots on the screen. Our picture is good. No spots are visible now. I have fixed the problem. Now I will play a video and see the display. the display is good viewers without any spot. So this is the video for today. If you enjoyed it, kindly like it and subscribe my channel. Thanks viewers.